2 years ago, I was doing all the things and still feeling heavy. Not because I wasn't trying, because I was surviving. These are the 7 habits that brought me back to myself. And if you're rebuilding after 50, this will meet you right where you are, love. My first habit is simple. I don't start my mornings in panic anymore. No rushing into the world. I start soft because soft isn't weak, love. Soft is stable. Even if it's 5 minutes, I give my mind a quiet landing. Habit 2, movement without punishment. I don't work out to earn my worth. I move because my body deserves oxygen, blood flow, and life. After menopause, I had to stop fighting my body and start partnering with her. Habit 3, I make one decision a day that makes me proud. Not a big dramatic change, one aligned choice. One, because pride is quiet and it stacks. Habit 4 changed everything for me. I stopped entertaining what drains me. I don't argue with confusion, and I don't negotiate with disrespect. I protect my peace like it's a luxury, because it is. Habit 5. I speak to myself like I'm someone I love. The old me would say, "You're behind." Now I say, "You're becoming." I don't bully myself into a better life. I nurture myself into one, love. Habit 6. Each week I learn myself again. What's working? What's heavy? What do I need to do more of? We don't heal by accident, love. We heal by paying attention. My 7th habit is how I end my day. I don't crash anymore. I close. I dim the lights. I slow my mind. I give my nervous system a signal. You're safe now. This is what changed my life. Not motivation, safety. If this met you, subscribe, because we're building a soft, powerful life over 50, love, on purpose. And if you want my deeper healing tools and guided resources, check the links below. Start where you are, love. Stay consistent and watch what happens in your life.